Welcome back, everyone. We have had beautiful weather today in Great Falls. On the Great Falls Clinic ICAM, we have had a mixture of sun and clouds throughout the day. It's also warm outside right now, as temperatures are currently in the 70s in a lot of locations, and these temperatures are a few degrees warmer than the temperatures were yesterday at this time. The wind has also been a nuisance today, as it has been breezy throughout the day today, and that's still the case right now. Sustained wind speeds currently between 10 and 25 miles per hour. That wind is coming out of the west-northwest in most locations. Just like last week, the wind is going to be the big story for the beginning part of this week. As we go through this evening, it will continue to be breezy, but that wind is going to diminish. And then overnight tonight, little to no wind in most locations. The one exception will be along the Rocky Mountain front, where breezy conditions are expected throughout the night. And then for tomorrow, not everyone is going to be dealing with the wind, but a lot of us will have to deal with at least breezy conditions tomorrow. Along the Rocky Mountain front, as well as in the Glacier County area, it's actually going to be windy tomorrow. Could see some gusts over 40 miles per hour at times. And then in western and central portion of the north central Montana, it will be a breezy day tomorrow. Sustained wind speeds between 10 and 25 miles per hour, and some gusts up to 40 miles per hour going to be possible at times. In eastern portion of the north central Montana, just a little bit breezy tomorrow, but you guys will get in on the wind as we head into Wednesday. It will continue to be breezy in a lot of areas tomorrow night, and then widespread gusty winds are expected on Wednesday with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts over 40 miles per hour are going to be possible at times, and this wind will be coming out of the west in most locations as we head into Wednesday. The wind diminishes for everyone as we head into Wednesday night. There were scattered showers and thunderstorms around last night as well as during the day today, especially in the eastern part of Montana. We have had a couple pop-up showers and thunderstorms along the high line throughout the afternoon and the evening. The storm system that brought us that precipitation will continue to work its way eastward through southern Canada as we go through tonight and into tomorrow, and that will allow high pressure to build into Montana. And this area of high pressure will be in control of our weather for the rest of the work week, which means a lot of sunshine, little to no precipitation, and above average temperatures. So similar to what we saw for most of last week. As we go through this evening and early tonight, a few showers and thunderstorms are possible along the high line. Everywhere else in the state will be mainly dry. We're also going to have mostly clear skies tonight. And then for tomorrow, we will start the day off with some cloud cover, partly to mostly sunny during the morning, but that cloud cover will diminish as we head into the afternoon and the evening, providing most of Montana with mainly sunny skies. And it will be mainly dry tomorrow as well. Tomorrow night, mostly clear skies and mainly dry conditions. And then on Wednesday, a beautiful day with mainly sunny skies and dry conditions throughout the entire state of Montana, courtesy of that area of high pressure. Tonight, low temperatures are going to be on the warmer side. Lows are going to be in the mid to upper 40s and low to mid 50s for most of us. Warmer tomorrow than it was today. High temperatures in the 80s for a lot of us, even approaching 90 degrees in Fort Benton. And then a little bit cooler, courtesy of a cold front on Wednesday. Highs in the mid to upper 70s and lower 80s for most of us, which is still above average for this time of year. In Great Falls, a good amount of sunshine and above average temperatures for the rest of the work week, and then temperatures do cool down. We could potentially see a few showers as we head into Father's Day weekend. In Havre, we are going to be dealing with breezy conditions tomorrow, then gusty winds on Wednesday. Highs in the mid to upper 70s and low to mid 80s through Saturday, and then we cool down into the 60s heading into Sunday and Monday.